Tarik risau raja arpusau ke degasngi ke baka sanatan dharmi Hindus kibu tarik ban penlong ke jingelap gaus protesta andolan hanong ba Shillong ban penbena baka Masi kamdai kamrat Henry ke kemi Henry ya ke Jingbit la an Shah Niam ban penlong ke Shong ha ke office jong ke board district la pentip menteri rang ba ke jela konrat kes sangma kat kum ketika Kynhun Niam ke jingelap gau protesta andolan kedai ha keleng keri India kata ban yalap ba anom Shah ot ni bam dok Masi bat ka lepentip bau nongai lam jongki Shankaracharya undai unongai lap dak ba penyeng ya ka gau dwaj kum juru bakan don ka dwaj stapana barat yatra ka ban long kum ban kersiu thia ya ki basyem ya ka Masi kum ka bakentang bat kum ka kemi jongkari India haba juba pi ki jingkli la ka sarkar jela kan a jingbit ni em ka ni ka Kynhun Niam ukon rat sang mau laong ka jing a jingbit ka Shong ha ka office ka deputy commissioner ha ka bola ai nuksa ba kala don ka poru ba wat ka NPP kam yo jingbit ban penlong rally kata house nam arjar pra ha West Garo Hills.
Even the NPP, when we have to go for rally, I have to apply to DC. And sometimes DC doesn't give permission to even NPP to hold rallies. So this decision is totally at the administrative level. It's not at Chief Minister's level. When Chief Minister also wants to hold a rally of my own party, I don't get permission sometimes from DC. I remember Mr. Sanjay Goyal is sitting here. He was SDO of Ampati. I don't remember the year. Sanjay ji, what year was this? 2008. And he didn't allow me to have a rally. That's how things are. So, I have nothing against that.
Hakabay day pat ba kajing tmu ketika Kynhun Niam uloong hakari kabayo ya ka hok ban sakri blade da kabalong light lut dan balak ban Khang yano haduk karukambam.
It's very, very clear. We are a secular nation. We are a secular state. There is no question of prohibiting anybody from doing anything in terms of their eating habits and their choices. I think there's no doubt about that. I think there's no aspect of government denying any of that, allowing anybody to not practice their own eating habits or have their own eating habits. I think there's no question of government intervention in this, and we're very, very clear about this. But here your question was regarding permission. Is that permissions are given at the Deputy Commissioner level, and it is up to Deputy Commissioner to decide and to give or not to give, and the Deputy Commissioner, based on different conditions, situations and different issues, will or will not give permissions. As I said, even political parties, even Chief Minister to hold rallies has to take permission from the Deputy Commissioner, so we all follow the same process.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut page ya kishap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya